Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So today I'm going to tell about an incident that occurred in Mayapur in about 2003. There was a girl who was about 3 or 4 years old. I won't mention her name, we'll just call her Lakshmi. But she used to be a very vigorous person. And it so happened that a pilgrim wandered into the Mayapur temple and tried to kidnap her. He picked her up. She was very small and young and white. And he was a local guy. And she was from a Western country. So her mother tried to find her, and she wasn't in the temple, so she went to the different exits to find her, and she wasn't there. And then she finally went to a guard, or in India they call them chowkidars. And he said that he had found her lying inside of a burlap or hessian sack, and the pilgrim tried to kidnap her. He picked her up and put her in the sack and put it over his shoulder, and he told the people that saw there was motion in the sack that it was a goat. But somehow she was a fighter, and she got him to drop the sack, and she crawled out and was saved from being kidnapped. Hare Krishna.